In Salesforce, we can ground our prompt template using Object Merge field. We can use flows and Apex classes also. But there's one more thing which we can use to ground our prompt template, and it will automatically fetch data from the page layout. This is called Record Snapshot. Let's create it. Record Snapshots brings a new way to ground your prompts by automatically including data available on the user's page layout for an object with one resource. Instead of individually selecting multiple fields and related lists for an object, you can include relevant data for grounding with one click. Let's check an account record. So we have account details section with account object fields. Also we have related contacts and cases. Let's create some related task also under this account. Let's preview this prompt template and check what comes under resolution. If you check the resolution part, you can see that it's generating JSON for the test account record. Let's check the generated JSON in more details. In JSON, we have the record ID, object name, and related fields present on page layout. There are some considerations and limitations for Record Snapshot which we will discuss later in the video. Then we have related contacts, cases, and tasks for the account record in the JSON. So our prompt template is using this JSON information to create a summary for the account record. So this is how you can use Record Snapshot in prompt templates. Let's discuss its considerations and limitations. Dynamic forms are not used in Record Snapshots. If it's enabled already, it will still use the page layout. Prompt Builder automatically restricts the quantity of data to avoid the prompt token limits. Empty data fields are filtered out automatically. Prompt Builder automatically imposes some limitations with Record Snapshots. There's no limit for the number of fields returned on the page layout. Even same for compact layouts. The first 6 related lists from the page layout are used and up to 5 records are used per related list. Only 5 upcoming tasks, events, and 5 most recent emails are used.